For centuries, we thought yawns were just about low oxygen, but that's been completely debunked. So why do we yawn? The leading theory is surprisingly cool. It's your brain's natural air conditioner. When you yawn, you stretch your jaw, increasing blood flow to your skull. The big inhale pulls in cool air, which helps lower and regulate your brain's temperature when it's overheating. That's also why we yawn more when we're tired. Your brain temperature actually rises when you're fatigued. And contagious yawning? Research suggests it was an evolutionary tool for social bonding, helping groups synchronize their alertness and stay cool under pressure. So that yawn is not laziness. It's your brain hitting the refresh button.